Namaste. This is Esnadi from Restore Your Life. Life from the forest on this beautiful day in the Netherlands. I just wanted to share with you that I've been making some more sound recordings that have certain vibrations, and those vibrations are able to restore your own frequency. So every frequency has its unique wisdom, let's put it that way, for it knows exactly how to reach our heart, our consciousness, our being that we are. And so these ancient really soul sounds that are familiar for me from other lifetimes and for my soul, really. And it's very beautiful to be able to reconnect with all these past lifetimes and to be able to bring all these lifetimes experiences together and bring out these sounds. They come from my Arcturian being that I am, a lot of my soul and anything that I've ever been. And this is not something I'm able to do only. There's many more coming out now and showing all these sound vibrations, which is everybody's going to heal somebody, or if you're ready for it anyway. It needs to resonate with you. If you're not ready for it, then just maybe tune into in a while and see if you're ready for it then. And if not, it's okay. Everything's okay, because it's all from love, and this is made from love. And as we all are frequency, this is the really new way of healing, to remember that we are frequency. So it's like tuning a piano. You know, it's a little bit false, but then you tune with the right tone, and then you get the right vibrations going in sequence. So everything has that in your cells. Your cells are made of all frequencies. Everything in your body is made of frequency. Your whole being. And everything around you too. I mean, a house is more dense frequency, and green leaves, and your spinach that you eat is a very light prana density. And we all have these different densities, but I leave that to other experts to explain that. I will focus now on the sound recording. Enjoy anyway. Make sure you sit comfortable in a place where you can't be disturbed, because this is your moment of the now. In this moment of the now, whenever you're watching, it's always your moment of the now. And that's always really beautiful, because then you are ready to receive this. And I do this with my heart. It's my service work for the people on Gaia. And so Ayo waka chakawan ta chata chata to chata chata ta woka chata ta 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 shoo chata ta woka chata to ayo waka chan to chata to chata ta ta to chata ta tu pam chuta dega dando dega do hey ga do ga de ya dega do Llega boga. Yoga baciato tutto ciato tutto ciapo tutto ciato tutto. Oh, cacciando, cacciero, ciando, ciato, boga. Llega. Llega, chao. Chia da di da hoa ye oh. Thank you all for joining. Just relax for a bit more, just meditate after this, after the tuning. And I think the birds, they're also helping in this video to bring the sound further, and they reacted on it. It was really quite funny. Yes, such a beautiful beings, the bird beings. I honor them very much, like I honor all of you. We are all one. We are one human race. We are one with all beings on Earth and beyond the whole universe. I'm sending you much love and light sparkles. Much love to you. Enjoy your day in paradise.